Here at Infinitev, we get many calls throughout the day from customers saying that they see a message saying check hybrid system. They immediately assume that check hybrid system means that the battery needs replacing. However, this is not always the case. Just like any other vehicle, we need to make sure that we go through and diagnose the vehicle correctly. The entire vehicle is the hybrid system, so it could be something relating to the combustion engine, to the ABS system, or even it could be the battery. For example, on the older Priuses, you'll even get a nice big warning triangle when the vehicle is low on fuel. This is the same light that comes on when the hybrid battery needs replacing. So it is very easy to confuse if the vehicle is simply out of fuel or actually needs a hybrid battery replacement. This is why it is critical that we go through and diagnose the vehicle first.